Gold Eagle was founded in 2008 with its own kitchen textile factory, Guangzhou Taiyang, which was established in 2013, producing kitchen textiles such as apron, avant-garde, potholder, tea towel, placemat, table runner, and tablecloth. Our goods are all sold to USA and Euro markets. Some of our customers are Big Lots, Walmart, BBB, Review, Disney, and Aldi, and so on. Our goods are imported by importer indirectly. We have our own design team. Some of our design are come by our side, and the other parts of the design are come by the silent. Also, we have an inventory. We only produce the goods as customers' special order. We have our own QC team to control the goods quality from the production line to final packaging finish before the goods delivered from our factory to port. Our factory have certifications. We have BXCI certification, OK Test 100 certification, Detox certification, avant-garde CE certification. By the all, we really appreciate that you can keep in touch with us with our email. You can find our email in the downside of the live show. Thank you so much.